The anti-labor forces behind the Friedrichs case are trying to turn back the clock on the labor movement in middle-class America by crippling public sector unions' ability to effectively bargain for our members.
This court case is a clear attack on families who provide essential services for our communities. But we believe it's the right thing to do to give people the option to be union and to have a voice and be able to say what is important to you for your income, for your benefits, for your family, for your community.
That's why I'm worried that this lawsuit could weaken my ability to advocate for my students. It will make it harder for educators to fight for what children need, like hiring more counselors and other support staff to help our students focus on learning, or restoring cuts to art, music, physical education, and other classes that students love. I've seen what has happened to public education in Wisconsin since the attack on unions began 4 years ago. I don't want to see this happen in Minnesota.
Unions are holding the line against powerful corporate interests who seek to destroy hardworking Americans' rights and further the gulf between the haves and have-nots in this country. Corporate interests who can afford to push these types of lawsuits to the Supreme Court, and it's couched as a worker freedom bill. But when you look at states that have right-to-work laws, so-called right-to-work laws, their workers make less, and their working conditions are poorer. We have a great thing going here in Minnesota where we lead the country in all kinds of economic indicators, and that's because we have strong unions and a strong union tradition.
They're not going to stop. They're going to keep coming at us. Even if we win the Friedrichs case, there's more coming and more coming.